Okay, totally out of control with these videos. 1:20 Saturday. All right. So I don't know the story, never read it. Just I see one word, I say, well, I gotta tape this. Okay, headline: Man road rage ends up in fine, house arrest. Okay, let's read this. A Hanwell man will spend the next couple of months under house arrest after a court heard Friday of how he instigated speech impairment a couple of road rage incident last year. Ryan Charles Dunphy, whatever, 23 Smith Road, previously plead guilty to charges of mischief causing property damage, summary assault, and dangerous driving. Summary assault, that means that you don't have the right to a lawyer. New Brunswick Legal Aid will not give you a lawyer because there's little chance of you going to jail. Judge can still send you to jail for 6 months, but you won't have the right to a lawyer, and there's no preliminary hearing to find out if there's enough evidence to proceed to trial. So let's see what happened. I don't know. We know he had house arrest. Let's see who his lawyer was. Was it duty counsel? I don't know. We'll see. Court here Friday, he punched a driver's side mirror off another car in traffic in Fredericton on January 26, 2018. After he became enraged, feeling the woman driving the other car, Crystal Forlot, was blocking traffic with a grader cleared snow from the road. He also got mad when motorist Martley lawyer pumped his brake into Duffy's tailgated him on the rural road in the Taman area, February 5th. Okay, that's about a week different. That blocked him. I want to see the lawyer. Judge Julian Dixon. Oh yeah, that's the one that's whatever. Charlie Focus. Noting Dunphy pleaded guilty. Oh, he pleaded guilty. Is it because he had no choice? Because he had no lawyer? And the Crown prosecutor said, listen, I made a deal with the prosecutor, and you could turn around, plead guilty, and you'll be out here in 5 minutes. And, well, I'm not guilty. Well, can you represent yourself in court? No, legal aid said I got no right to a lawyer. Well, what are we going to do here? You got 1 minute to decide, and usually they plead guilty. So this guy pleaded guilty, has no previous criminal history, clean record, and expressed remorse. Okay. Fine him $500 for January 26th incident and place him on a conditional sentence order for 3 months to be served in the community. The first 2 months of that order, Duffy will be under house arrest and can only leave his home for work, medical emergencies, 4 hours each day. After that, he'll be on a curfew. He's to abstain from alcohol, illicit drugs, and have no contact with the victims. The judge also placed the defendant on probation for 6 months. That's pretty harsh for a guy that had no record. I'm going to write this guy's name down, and I'm going to try to contact him. And what he got, if he would have had a lawyer, maybe it would have been as harsh. What did he do again? Punch a driver's side mirror off a car in traffic. All right. Feeling the woman, okay. Blocking. He also got mad, pump his brake as Duffy tailgated him on a rural road. Duffy even passed the victim. Court here blocked the road with his car, got out, and punched lawyer in the head through an open window repeatedly. Okay, he punched a guy in the head. So summary, I got to find out there was a lawyer here. Discuss what was his problem. He had a clean record and now he's freaking out. But the word summary, that's to save money and to put people with mental illness and people with less fortunate, the working poor and the native, they plead guilty, then they fart. And see, when you go to court, the judge says, do you truly understand, Mr. LeBlanc, what you're pleading guilty to? Do you understand? Then you look, then the duty counsel says, yeah, say yes, say yes. Yes. And then you fart the week after. They arrest you. Then you say, well, I wasn't guilty in the first place. Well, you should have thought about that before you pleaded guilty. Okay, anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to try to contact this guy.